Welcome to Deep Cove. Today we're going to be touring a phenomenal brand new 2024 build. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house. Again, it's brand new, built by Qualis Builders, and it has the best top of the line finishes. I can't wait to show you guys around. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Noah Jefferson. I'm a real estate agent here in Victoria, and I'm always providing information on the market as well as neighborhood guides and property tours on beautiful homes just like this. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure that you like this video. You can also find all my contact information in the description of this video if you want to reach out to me. And now let's get into this property tour.
This property is listed by Thomas and Courtney Calla at the Pinnacle Homes Group. If you want to contact them, dial 250-380-SOLD or find them on Instagram at Pinnacle Homes Group. That does it for this video. And if at any point during this video you guys felt that I've given you value, do me a favor and hit the like button. I sure would appreciate it. And as always, if you want to get in contact with me for anything real estate related, or you just want to connect, you can call or text me at any time. All my info will be in the description of this video. If you're curious to find out more about the Gordon Head neighborhood, you should check out this in-depth neighborhood guide that I did. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.